Log into your drive. Everyone, log into your drive. Guys, I'm just asking with you on your drive. There's a topic called as ensemble technique. In ensemble technique, we have three different topics: random forest, gradient boosting, and XGBoost. So do you need a separate folder or you need folder inside folder? Guys, also you log into your LMS. I will be teaching you how to upload the assessment on Drive on your LMS only. For the yesterday you have done on Drive only. So you have to upload same file in LMS. There is an option coming as class assessment. Or that option we have to submit. You have to submit it. हाँ भी करना है. Semester 1, then machine. Semester 2. You have option class assessment separate. सिर्फ क्लास सेमेस्टर होगा असेसमेंट. Question paper with data set. Attached file and some. Guys, log into LMS. Okay. On LMS, you'll get option on the left hand side, class assessment. Tejas. Gauri, login LMS. Okay. No. Gauri, can you share your screen, please? I've given the access. Just log into the LMS. You get semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. At the bottom, you will get class. I've given the access, Gauri. You can share your screen. Come back to, just click on PG. Come back one step backward. Just resume the codes, class assessment, question paper with data set, linear regression, class assessment. At the bottom, you'll get option for attach.
Okay, sir.
File.
Understand.
Once it's loading for you. Only the output Python file, okay? Not the data set. Select your file. Got you have done it. Okay. So difficulties come from question number 4 onwards. Let me cross check. Crash 35. Guys, which method we have used for outlier? Box plot and treatment, Mr. I think. For regression model, you have used sklearn or stats. Which one? Sklearn. You have written equation also. Y equal to beta naught, beta 1. वो लिखा है proper. Bar chart done. Correlation. Data partition. Now question number 5. First we'll go with 5th. I'll come back to 4th. 4th they're just asking about, we take error as 5%. If error is 5, how much is confidence? 90%. You just have to give RMSE value or R square. R square पढ़ा है हमने. That is the question number 4. The mean score. How much is the score model? How much is the accuracy? We call accuracy. Technical word can be your score model. Question number 5 is, guys, how many have done this? Comparing real what it predicted weight and give conclusion statement based on it. Means actuals होगा और prediction होगा. उनके बीच में आपको जो समझ आता है आपको वो लिखना है for any one row. उसमें कैसे correlation बनाओगे? वो wrong है. You don't have to use correlation. That time you're asking the answer from me. इसलिए मैंने आपको response नहीं किया answer. Guys, you can ask question for me, not the answer. Some people have asked the answer, तो मैंने वहाँ पे mute कर दिया. ठीक है? And here you have to compute your RMSE value also. What is RMSE? How we calculate error? Actual minus prediction square किया है, mean compute किया है और square. What is your RMSE you are getting, everyone? हाँ, RMSE less than 10 होना चाहिए. ये rule है. हाँ, नहीं किया तो और अच्छी बात है, सेफ होगा. हाँ, BIF इसलिए नहीं आ रहा था because RMSE 10 के नीचे भी नहीं आएगा. So that is that's the reason I'm doing discussion with you. So RMSE value, the scientists have made two concepts. One is to check the performance of model, कितना accurate है, which is your R square. Point number 1. Second, we can do prediction. Question comes if I'm doing prediction for Rishabh. Example, I need to predict the weight of a Rishabh. Actual weight is 70. I predicted 75. How much difference? Understand the logic, guys? Okay. Just a small process flow. Actual weight is 70. Predicted 75. How much will be the error? Can you do square of this? Square कर सकते हैं? तो हो जाएगा 25. Second person, Akash weight 60. We predicted 62. Or let's say 59. Difference 1 square. 1. Sarang weight 65. We predicted 70. Difference, all right, is 60. Let's say 8. 3, 9. So can I call this as square error? Error को क्या किया हमने? Square. Can you compute mean of this? 35 divided by 3. What is the mean? One 11 point now. 11.6. This is your mean. Can you take square root of 11 point this? कितना होगा बोलो? Square root of 11.6. 3.4 as an example. So guys, step number 1, can I say that we first compute error? See the screen. Step number 2, we compute square. Step number 3, we compute mean and we get answer is approximate. Step number 4, I computed square root. So mean square root. Full form क्या हो गया? So the scientists have make the model कि R square तो 70 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, ये रूल है, और RMSE वैल्यू हैज टू बी, ये वैल्यू है और ये परसेंटेज है गाइस. Now the difference occurs as we are trying to say that for every person I am able to predict how much there will be a difference of on an average 3.4 kg. इतना difference आ सकता है हर individual के prediction में. Neither too accurate, neither too underfit. So if I'm predicting for Rishabh, okay, max to max, the difference will come chances of 3.4 k. ये average difference इतना होगा. So ये threshold क्या है? Less than 10 होना चाहिए. How many get less than 10? I don't think so. Nobody. और आपने गूगल में पढ़ा भी नहीं होगा आरएमएस से क्या होता है. पढ़ा था? ठीक है. Now question comes कि अगर RMSE की वैल्यू किसी की 140 आती है, they just get, some get 115. How to reduce that? Okay. हाँ, आंसर वही है. Let me. Point number one, as I mentioned, when you get RMSE value more, outlier, as I mentioned, point outlier. Okay. So guys, if we have outliers in the data or data is normal, outlier होगा तो data normal होगा क्या? नहीं. तो आपने ये point check ही नहीं किया होगा. I guarantee. ये check किया था आपने? Y variable is coming normal. ये आपने check ही नहीं किया होगा, guarantee. आपने ये नॉर्मल चेक नहीं किया, सीधा आउटलायर ट्रीट किया. गुड असम्पशन में ले लिया आपने. ठीक है. Hint for you. Listen. Whenever we have data normal, we say how much % data is normal. So there is a 0.3% chance there can be some outliers. वो ठीक है, आपने ट्रीट किया. ट्रीटमेंट के बाद आपने चेक किया डेटा नॉर्मल है या नहीं. अगर assuming data is not coming to be normal, what we do? Scaling कर सकते हो. Scaling नहीं करना है तो और क्या कर सकते हो? मैंने आपको पढ़ाया ना कहीं स्टैट्स में, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन in statistics in revision session. I have taken this session for you. Apply square root, log, कोई एक अप्लाई करके चेक कर लेते हो गया आंसर. कोड सेम रहेंगे, सिर्फ जहां पे लिखोगे ना मॉडल sklearn डॉट फिट डॉट x, y, सिर्फ y पे आपको लगाना है np डॉट स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, कोड सेम रहेगा. तो दैट्स द रीजन ना आपने ये स्टैट्स का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं यूज किया. ये यूज नहीं किया इसलिए आपके आंसर्स करेक्ट नहीं आए. Everyone getting a prediction either very high, either very low. Agree? That's the reason happens when data is not normal. So ये key catch I kept in the question number 4. How many have solved linear regression? One example by itself. उससे solve किए हैं. मतलब not this test one. एक private example you taken from Google and you done by yourself. हाँ, तो वैसे किया है सबने. Getting good answer. Have you checked any time for the normality over there? तो करने की habit डालो. So when, because box plot works on numbers and your squamous plot also works on mean and variance. Remember mu plus 3 sigma. Can I say we only check for numerical data? So whenever you have a regression task and your answer is not coming to be accurate, so there can be issue in your y variable. Point number 1. ये क्लियर हो गया? डू यू वांट मी टू रिपीट? सो इशू वाई में है, तो इशू क्या होगा? डेटा तो गलत कभी नहीं होगा. The issue can be outlier, issue can be missing values. You done both also. Then also not getting an answer. The third option is transformation, or to check whether data is normal or not. Anyone can share the solution with me? जो कोड आपने लिखा है वो कोड मुझे कोई भेजेगा? There on drive. Your file name? Yes. किसने सॉल्व किया प्रॉपर? On screen, guys. First, I'll run his code. Screen share करते हैं. I've just run his code. Okay. Question number 1 to 5 is written. Okay. This is the data. Okay. He triggered outliers. I say you're using this loop. Good one. Missing values not there. Frequency chart. Now point number 1, data partition done. DF data correlation is also correct. Everything is fine. Okay. He done VIF. 2 variables coming in the model. अच्छा आपने OLS यूज किया. Accuracy 87. Assumption check. Okay. Prediction on test and test data. How much is your RMSE? Approximate. Our objective is to reduce this. Okay. What is the Y variable in our case? What is the package we use for making a plot? Normal है? Close to. So what you have to do in your model, you just have to in the Y variable as यहाँ पे भी हम डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं. एक बार क्रॉस चेक करता हूँ. ओके. तो ये नॉर्मल higher the weight value was, guys. Now the weight, how much? इंक्रीज हो गई एक्यूरेसी। रन द मॉडल अगेन। ये आपने एक्चुअल ऐसे क्यों लिया है? आपने यहीं से एक्चुअल ले लिया क्या? df dot, what is the column name you have kept? Fitted value versus now guys, can I say that the equation, a normal equation which we write in linear regression is y is equal to plus beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus e, because he has only two variables. The question comes, can I say I applied square root over here? करेक्ट ना, y पे हमने स्क्वायर रूट अप्लाई किया तो ये क्या हो गया? अभी जो भी प्रेडिक्शन आएगा गाइस वो स्क्वायर रूट प्रेडिक्शन होगा. If I do square root of 25, what is the answer? Your y value is 25. मैंने क्या अप्लाई किया? स्क्वायर रूट. आंसर क्या आया? 5. Can I go back to original? What should I do? तो ये जो नंबर है ना, ये क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट नंबर. Okay, what do you have to do? Just हो गया, इसका स्क्वायर ले लिया. काम है, ये क्लियर हो गया. क्या बोल रहे हो? हाँ तो ये इसलिए नहीं पढ़ा है बिकॉज उससे पढ़ना से देखना आपने तो खुद का डेटा लेके हाँ उतना ठीक है, वो ठीक है, वो चलेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. इज एक्सेप्टेबल. एग्जैक्ट यू शेप आएगा तो रॉन्ग है. अभी आप देखोगे वेट वैल्यू हाउ मच? 14.4. दिस इज स्क्वायर रूट वैल्यू गाइस, ये ओरिजिनल वैल्यू नहीं है. अब प्रेडिक्शन देखोगे ये क्या है? ये भी स्क्वायर रूट है. So you cannot say the weight of the fish is 14 grams. You just have to convert it to original also. ये clear हो गया? This point I explain stats to you. तो ऋषभ ये पॉइंट पढ़ा है लेकिन स्टार्ट्स में लीनियर रिग्रेशन में मिनिमम वी कैन अप्लाई 20 combinations. We took 2 months to teach linear regression then. अभी जैसे हमने लीनियर पे लॉग अप्लाई किया, स्क्वायर रूट अप्लाई किया. If I apply log on this, what will happen in the equation? अगर मैंने स्क्वायर रूट नहीं यूज किया, मैंने लॉग यूज किया, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? लॉग ऑफ y. If I don't want to use, I will use inverse of y. Square root, cube root, inverse, reciprocal. ये क्लियर हो गया? Anyone have any question? Please ask. I'll increase the level after this. अभी हमने y पे अप्लाई किया. Original how much yes was getting? 184. Example, I apply square root and I get answer is 100. We are happy? No. We require minimum 10. I apply log. Log apply किया तो भी आंसर आता है 89. आई एम हैप्पी. We apply inverse. I got 60. So how many combination I applied? 3. X try कर लिया, नहीं हो रहा है. Why we have done with try? Nothing happening. Now what I will apply on X. पहले Y से try करो, नहीं होगा. Then go with X. X से नहीं होगा, then go with both. ये clear हो गया? Because every data has to be normal. That is a rule. Logic clear हो गया guys? अभी second. Now see the method of writing equations. The first equation is a normal equation we do. Y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1x. That model name is called exponential linear regression model. If I take square root, quadratic linear regression model, reciprocal linear regression model. See, all the things is applied on Y. First 3. Then apply log on X. Then apply log on both. You can see guys, method transformation equation. Anyone have any question on this? Please ask. ये सब कब यूज करोगे? जब नॉर्मल लिनियर रिग्रेशन से वैल्यू परफेक्ट नहीं आती. Clear? Found your mistake? So these are the basic things which come from stats, have higher impact in machine learning. Cross-check कीजिए. We done with this type of questionnaire for you. I've taken some basic interview questions down for you. से पूछ रहा हूँ. Let's log into your drive. At least run the code. If you're getting an output, just update me. I've uploaded on drive. Log into your drive, go to ensemble folder and go to your easy boost, extreme boost. Anyone need a 5-5 password for Dex Classroom? You can use this one. Okay. Now guys, before giving your LMS class assessment, have you done theory brush up of linear regression? एक बार walk through किया था या डायरेक्टली टेस्ट दे दिया? I'll check your knowledge, sir. इधर आपकी स्क्रीन दिखाइए मैडम. वीडियो में मैं क्या, मेरा स्क्रीन कौन सा दिख रहा है आपको बताइए. आप कनेक्टेड हो? शेयर द वीडियो फिर से हो. For you. Clear, everyone? Into your link, you will get a screen for you. On screen, there is a rule for this. Just to cross check whether you have done a cheating or by yourself. On screen, there will be questions given. Every questions will have some options for you. A, when I say people who selected A people will raise your hand. If B, then B people will raise your hand. C means don't know what happened in the class. So this option will be there always. Here I have two options. In next question, we may have four options. The fifth option will be don't know what happened in the classroom. Clear? Every person who select answer A, B, C, or D, you have to give a justification. What is the reason of selecting? Clear? Shall we? Madam, book one. Nobody will touch the mouse or a laptop. Your hand has to be on screen. So open karoge notes. I cannot see that now. The first question, select the answer and give me the reason. आपने भी कनेक्ट किया? कनेक्ट करो ना और वो स्क्रीन आप मुझे दिखाओ. I'll be getting an idea कि what you are able to see. आपने selected B. Don't go with majority. जो आपको करना है वो देखो. यहाँ वो मत देखो. Okay. What is the reason, Mahesh, for selecting A? Every wrong answer, you know, no? There is something known as punishment. Yes, please. Linear regression. Regression task. Okay. What is regression task? Regression from X or Y relation. Half right, half wrong. Yes, Uma. सच रूल किधर है कि एक्स और वाई कोई लेंगे. हाँ ठीक है, कंटिन्यू कीजिए. हाँ ये करेक्ट आंसर है. इतना ही आंसर है उसका. Regression means y has to be numbers. Why giving extra point? Okay, just make sure when you go for mock or interviews, never speak any extra point, guys. Next one. आपने लॉगिन किए? मुझे स्क्रीन दिखाओ ना क्या दिख रहा है. अब ऐसा रखो. अपने लैपटॉप से पढ़ना है, ठीक है, कोई स्क्रीन नहीं है आज। डन। हमने सिलेक्टेड ए, गुड वन। हमने सिलेक्टेड बी, selected C, okay, Prathamesh, just wait. Nikita and Priyanka, what is the answer? A or B? A. What is the reason? One independent variable. Yes, Nikita? Okay. अब दोनों वहां ठहर जाओ, अब मैं भी पीछे जाओ। रॉन्ग आंसर है, देखिए। Person who selected B, again raise your hand. How many are there with B? ऐसे भी हो सकते, तीनों भी रॉन्ग है गाइस। डी ऑप्शंस होते हैं ना, हाँ, कान से भी नहीं, वो आपके ऊपर है। तो ए ऑफ डी, हर एक ऑप्शंस में एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑप्शन होगा, तो आप खुद ऐड कर सकते हैं। हाँ, सिलेक्टेड दोनों, सारंग, चलो। वाई सिलेक्टेड बी? y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1. So beta 1 एक होगा और beta 0. Correct answer. Perfect. Good one. मैडम, आप वीआईपी हो? Next one. Good one, Prathamesh. Good answer for you. Okay, first opportunity will be given to people who are standing, want to contribute. Answer is A. I agree with that. The reason is why answer A is correct. Yes or no? Contribute करना है. Every wrong answer will increase in 5 minutes. Yes, please. Wrong answer. Yes, this was last guy. After this, कैलकुलेशन में मेन कंप्यूट होता है ना. If mean is there and outlier is there, what happen? Mean change. Okay, half answer. Anyone want to contribute something more? नहीं, मीन से कंटिन्यू करना है आपको. Okay, where we use mean in the calculations? R square कहाँ से मिलेगा? You're giving the wrong answer. आपका आंसर wrong है. So you said equations, correct? हाँ, इक्वेशन में कहीं पे मीन है क्या? हाँ, बीटा नॉट और बीटा वन फाइंड करने के लिए मीन लगेगा ना. तो वो अगर मीन गलत है तो बीटा नॉट बीटा वन गलत हो जाएंगे. तो वो उनका टेक्निकल आंसर. दिस इज प्रूवन. So any change in mean will change your beta naught and beta 1. If they are not correct, your prediction is not correct. Prediction is not correct, your error is high. Error is high, your RMC is high. Link हो गया? Okay, sure. Yes. Next one. Correct, Pratiksha? क्या यूज कर रहे हो सर? नीरज? Okay. How many selected A, B, C? हाँ नीरज पहले देख लो फिर इसके बाद हम वोट करेंगे. Don't go with majority, Neeraj. The first song. How many are going with majority? Okay. मतलब सब लोगों ने हाथ रेस कर तो मैं भी रेस कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. Yes. Can you explain me? कैसे मालूम पड़ा गुड नहीं है? Wrong answer. Stand. So wrong है मतलब आपको क्या नहीं है? Omni selected A, B, C, A, C. We'll start with Tejas. So, what is the reason? Correct. Huh? The wrong answer for you online students because the range of correlation is between -1 to +1. तो 1.09 कैसे possible होगा? रेंज कंफर्मेशन है ना वो आपको. सो तो माइनस हटा दो 1.09 कैसे आएगा? In between x and y is strong. Wait करो. Omni selected A, selected B, selected C, B, A, C. Can you explain why you selected B? ठीक है. Close to. Yes, you all three. तो -1 के धागा में से या +1 के? -1. हाँ करेक्ट. सारा बैठ. Perfect, Himanshu. Good one, Gauri. People who give this answer, he know entire thing of linear regression. क्या होता है? क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन प्रॉपर लिखना है। आपको उसमें क्या जानना है? आप सोचो ना, इंडिपेंडेंट है कि नहीं। देखिए, व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन सिलेक्टेड? Okay. हमने selected B, C, D. Uma, explain. Correct. नहीं, what you selected, explain with that point only. B तो one correct है, third correct है, ठीक है। Fourth can explain me. Example. सेल अलग कॉलम है, एडवर्टाइज अलग कॉलम है, यहाँ पे एक ही कॉलम लेना है। Wrong answer. Not able to explain properly. Yes, madam. So one तो correct है। Example. हाँ, करेक्ट है, तो इसको एक्सप्लेन करो ना, ग्राफ को क्या है वो। How many have not selected any options? शारंग, आप कल जा रहे हो? आपने डी लिया है ना? हाँ, क्यों लिया वो एक्सप्लेन करना है। ओके,
मॉडल मतलब हर एक एरर रहेगा मॉडल का, वो इंडिपेंडेंट रहना चाहिए, मतलब रिग्रेशन टाइम वो हर एक एरर इंडिपेंडेंट होना चाहिए।
करेक्ट।
और एरर्स आर नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, तो रिग्रेशन टाइम के लिए एक निकाला है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो लॉजिकली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होना चाहिए एरर्स,
ठीक है।
और प्रेडिक्टर x एंड वैल्यू ऑफ x, जो x होते हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं।
और फिर नेक्स्ट क्या लिखा है उसकी? वैल्यू ऑफ x, वो क्या होता है?
वैल्यू ऑफ x values inside the,
हाँ करेक्ट, तो रोज आर इंडिपेंडेंट ना। ऐसे लिखते ना इंग्लिश में, वैल्यू ऑफ x, मतलब वो x की वैल्यू है। So these are nothing but assumption of your model. आपने सबसे डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन पे सिलेक्ट किया और इजी क्वेश्चन पे हाथ दे दिया आपने। सोल्यूशन को करेक्ट है जो उन्होंने बोला। Yes, Nikita. What is the reason for selecting A? Up corrected. How many selected A? B. A is repeating. How many selected A? Okay, good. B. Very good. C. C. कोई भी नहीं. D. E don't know what happened. How many have not selected? हाँ तो बोलो ना क्या select किया. Gayatri, explain me why you selected A. लॉजिस्टिक नंबर्स के लिए भी होता है. और एक बार रिपीट करो, आपने क्या बोला है? नहीं, करेक्ट है, सिर्फ रिपीट करना है. सो हमने क्लासरूम में लॉजिस्टिक नंबर्स पे प्रेडिक्ट किया. किस पे प्रेडिक्ट किया फिर हमने? व्हाट इज द आउटपुट फॉर्मेट ऑफ लॉजिस्टिक? ये सुमा मैडम, आप बैठ जाओ. आंसर रॉन्ग है. आपने ए सेलेक्ट किया. ए सेलेक्ट किया. आपने ए सेलेक्ट किया. ये तो आल्सो. हाँ, आप दोनों ने ए सेलेक्ट किया. बेसिक. हाँ, तो कंफ्यूजन की थोड़ी सी पनिशमेंट होती है. आप दोनों रॉन्ग हो. पीछे जाओ. ओके, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर देन? यस. हाँ, करेक्ट. लॉजिस्टिक सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन के लिए, उसको नंबर्स के लिए प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते आप. 0-1 के लिए होगा. और अगर इससे भी फाइंड नहीं होगा, इजीएस्ट वे, आउटपुट फॉर्मेट ऑफ लॉजिस्टिक इज प्रोबेबिलिटी. Probability is not a number for you. You can think in this way also. So regression term is just to misleading. आजकल बॉयज पढ़ने लगे क्या? आकाश, इस पर आंसर आप ही दोगे. Omni selected A. Okay. Omni selected B. Amni selected C. ठीक है. Amni selected D. Yes, Rishabh. Continue. Explain me. चार्ट स्क्वायर में थोड़ा सा लाउड बोलोगे प्लीज. हाँ हाँ. लॉग. तो selected C. Give opportunity to Tejas sir. Come back to you.
क्योंकि आज में वजह से एक्सप्रेस देता है, लेकिन हमें उसकी इंडिविजुअल फीचर की हम की वैल्यू देके हम बता सकते हैं कि उसको एक्सेप्ट करना है रिजेक्ट करना है. यूजुअली वो आज में सर वेरिएबल का इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं बता सकते.
Correct. You can come and sit. देखिए आंसर. हाँ आपको बतानी है. आपने बोला करेक्ट है, प्रोसेसिंग करता है, लेकिन कैसे करेगा वो नहीं बताया. बैठ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, आप बैठ जाओ. Last one, guys. Last question for you. Last chance for 3 people. चलो बोली जाए तो एक्सप्लेन भी कर दो. क्लोज एक्सप्लेनेशन करेक्ट है. आंसर्स डाइसी हैं थोड़ा सा. एक्सप्लेनेशन करेक्ट है, बैठ जाओ. आंसर रॉन्ग. यस 3 पीपल. नोट देख लिया, बुक देखा, कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, चलो गायत्री विल एक्सप्लेन. या यू से बी. ठीक. उमा बी. यस गायत्री. देखो 2 फ्रेंड बी जा रहे हैं, आप ए जा रहे हो. चेंज करना है भी चेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक. हाँ वो तो डायग्राम करेक्ट है. वो तो नाम से पता चलेगा कौन सा डायग्राम यूज करना है. उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है ए को. यस बी पीपल. हाँ गाइस आप लोग, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट का मतलब क्या होता है. चेंज नहीं होगे ना नंबर्स, एक स्टेडी पोजीशन पे रहोगे. हेट्रो मतलब तो ए बी कैसे हो सकता है मालूम. Suggestion for you in your interview suggestion: study the distinguish between adjusted R square and R square. Homework for you. Okay, thank you. You 3 will stand for more 10 minutes. Okay. On screen, guys. So we're starting with one other technique of ensemble. हाँ, आपको इंस्टॉल करना है पैकेज, फाइल में एरर नहीं है, आपको पढ़ना होगा no module name. So whenever we get option no module name, you have to write pip install. Okay. The first concept which we study is decision tree. Okay, higher version of the tree we study something known as random forest. After random forest, we go for gradient boosting. Remember? And we have, I call XGBoost as a shortcut name, or we can say extreme boosting. Okay. So in the tree, guys, how many tree we make in decision tree? One. Till you're clear, here we make one. Random forest. So can I say multiple? Can I say here every trees are independent? In boosting, guys, how many tree we make? And every trees are dependent. Why we call they are dependent, guys? And in random forest, why we call they are independent? Three people give the answer. I'll make you sit down. Explain करना है वही. Gayatri and Oma, you have options to sit down early. Okay, will. हाँ, क्यों होते हैं? पॉइंट करेक्ट है, लेकिन एक्सप्लेन तो कीजिए मैडम. You two people want to be a part? आपको आना है? Gayatri, yes or no? Gayatri, you want to be a part of the question? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? हाँ. Uma, you want to be? हाँ. चलो, या तो 10 minutes या 20 minutes. Give me the answer. Other students, you can help them if you want. हाँ, you can say to me. They will listen now. हाँ. Why we call over there as dependent and why we call over here as independent? Half answer. Half answer. Yes, Mahesh. बोलिए. Independent tree and dependent tree. This is correct. So when you say sequential indication, it works on data and the tree works on error. हाँ, तो आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो ना मैडम. आप बोल तो वही रहे हो. रन होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन क्या है? And why we call independent? हाँ, तो कैसे मालूम पड़ेंगे वो इंडिपेंडेंट है? वो तो मैंने बताया ना आपको है. How you will explain to the interviewer कि they are independent trees? ट्री बनाने से एक स्टेप पहले जाओ. डायग्राम में क्या होते हैं? Guys, we make bags now, multiple data sets. Data sets are independent. So by default, trees are independent. You understand? Okay. So in random forest, guys, what happened? We independent. In random forest or in gradient boost subsets 3. And the y will keep on changing such a way that error has to be reducible. Clear? Now, last opinion and last of you, what we use for splitting. What method we use for splitter? In random forest, any. Check. What do you all to say? He say Gayatri says square root. In random forest, what we use for splitting? Gaiety. आप लोग तो अब ठहरोगे आप लोग पढ़ ही नहीं रहे उधर जाके. So the point is, in decision tree, we use Gini to split higher version of tree. Now multiple trees. Multiple tree means you're picking 1 tree, 2 and 3 trees. जब एक ट्री बनाने के लिए गिनी यूज किया तो मल्टीपल के लिए भी क्या लगेंगे? Improvisation of tree. Working on tree only ना. So what we have to use? हो गया. ठीक है. Next one. Working on XGBoost. In XGBoost, guys, we use a new concept. Okay, it is a very special tree which works on gain value, and that works on Gini value. These are two different things, two different formulas. Clear? I'll give you data to write. Just cross check. Have you written the theory for this small part or not? एक बार क्रॉस चेक कीजिए ना प्लीज. शायद लिखा हो कभी नहीं लिखा है. Guys, open your pen paper, start writing example. Write XGBoost, extreme boosting, and example. बाकी 1 मिनट. लेकिन you play it now. There is right topic name stream boosting example number 1 for go to the example of decision tree and see. हमने न्यूमेरिकल लिया है डिसीजन ट्री में. See the example of decision tree. See the main data, na first split. See the main data. We have taken bill, standard plan, and gender. Over there, anywhere X variable is number, Y variable is number. Now go to your random forest or GB boost and cross check. Just check for X variable. Check for GB boost, check for X variable. We have taken X variable number. H दिया है ना? Correct. So हमने GB boost में एग्जाम्पल लिया है जहाँ पे H की वैल्यू जो है वो है न्यूमेरिकल. But nobody asked me how the numerical data is split. I explain you how the data of gender split, male and female. Male female ही क्यों आते हैं? Because gender में दो level हैं, male और female. If you look at age variable, you have multi levels. But I make you write which diagram? Less than 38, more than 38. So nobody asked me that question. Why? 37 क्यों नहीं? 35 क्यों नहीं? Why not 40? This question should come in your mind. Question is valid. Madam, समझाओ माँ. So I am saying whenever we have a gender variable, it's become easy to split. But when we have numerical variable, it becomes difficult to split. A question comes, why it becomes difficult to split? Okay. Because gender has predefined levels, male and female. There has to be two branches. Now, let's say you have a column called age. I'm just taking a scenario of GB only. Can you give me the data for GB for age column? Anyone? 12, 84, 44, 19, 80, 32, and 14. 6 I've taken. Okay. Now I make you write a branch of less than 38 and a branch of more than 38. The question should come from your side. Why 38? Why not 30? Why not 45? Why not 50? Why not 20? यही bench, यही combination कैसे select हुआ? 38 only. The answer is what we can assume like this way. Software try multiple combinations. Can I make a bucket like this way, less than 20, more than 20? कर सकते हैं split? Can we make a bucket less than 30, more than 30? Less than 38? More than 38? Example, less than 40 and more than 40. Can we do? How many combination I tried? For every combination, I'll compute. Which is the best? तो ये सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? So can we say that this has the highest Gini value? This combination is best for this variable. समझा कैसे find हुआ? For numerical variable, he try combination and select the best combination for that variable. Logic clear? Okay. Now guys, second example coming to your extreme boosting. Extreme boosting works on certain formulas. Okay. So you have written this question in data, right? Hashtag formula is used. Now guys, here the Gini value, the gain value is used to find whether variable is best or not. Here I have taken one X and one Y. If the person take a dose, so we given in ml quantities, and how the reaction, means how the effective it works on your body. So why is your drug effective? And we have drug dose. Clear? Here we do not have multiple X. If we have multiple X, what is the rule of gain? What is the rule of Gini? Select the variable which have highest value. Understand the process flow, guys. When we use splitter, example, splitter we use as Gini. Gini is computed for multiple X, correct? And select which is highest one. Highest or best. And that X is used for split. Till you're clear? Same process flow will be there. This is for your tree. Same process for XCP. The process flow will be, our splitter name is gain. उसको minimize कीजिए आप. तो आरती नाम आ रहा है ना, minus. Okay. You will have your X1, X2, X3. अभी आप इधर कर लीजिए. And from here, we select the highest value. And that variable is used for split. So what is the difference in flow chart, guys? Clear? ये main difference है. So you can write at the back end of your book or anywhere. The difference between decision tree flow chart and XGBoost flow chart. Okay, you can, because a regression task. For classification, you can replace by mode also. But the creator suggested my initial value taken for calculation is 0.5. So we are going as per the theoretical point of view first. Optimum value. Neither giving importance to any one row. Every rows are equal. So we have initial prediction. So this prediction, this is your y variable and this is your y cap. Can you find error? Solve for this getting error. -10 y minus y hat करना है मैडम. क्या हो गया अब्दुल? Should I repeat maths? So guys, you're working on first tree. So dt1, split 1. And the split 1 is called root node. मैडम ओरली कीजिए ना, बोर्ड पे क्यों देख रहे हो? Done everyone. 15 minutes for calculation, guys. You have to increase your speed. Okay. Now, here we need to split for first combinations. Now, here we have a numerical variable initial for you, which we need to work on. I am just taking combination randomly. If you want to change, you are allowed to change. For initially, follow the steps. For split 1, combination less than 15, more than 15. I'll teach you how to do, guys, this one. How many? Okay. Okay. Also. Sure. Able to see the screen, guys? So I tried 3 combination, less than 15, more than 15. This combination, guys, I decided randomly. You are also allowed to change. For a time being, we will stick to this part. Okay. Now, when I say similarity score, what is the formula? Sum of residual, then square. Now, my question for you, in less than 15, how many rows we have? Okay. Now, if you remember, guys, in boosting, we work on error. So we will make tree on error. So less than 15 for dosage, how many rows? First row, what is the value? So similarity score minus 10.5 square. 1 plus. Then we have lambda. Remember learning rate? What is the reason or so there are the difficulties, guys, because the net is not working over here. So you have to take less than 15 and more than 15. This will come in less than 15. And this all 3 rows are more than 15. Error square 3 plus 0. What is the value? That's 14 point. Can you compute for less than 22, more than 22? Okay. One more calculation, guys. Done till here. Now we done for left and right branch on screen. We need to compute something known as root calculation. Root node take how many rows, guys? The root node take how many rows? So can you do sum of all error? Means minus 10.5 plus 6.5 plus 7.5 minus 10.5 square divided by 4 plus 0. What is the value? One. I'm getting us 4. What is the formula for gain? So what is the left value we have now? 110.25 plus 14.08 minus 4. This will give you the value for one combination. Same we can do for less than 22 and less than 30. I'll give you 3 minutes. How many are less than 22? 2 rows. What is the left value for less than 22? So what is the gain value for that? Because right is 0. Do for less than 30. मैडम आ रहा है आपको सॉल्व करना? नहीं, तो लैपटॉप में करो ना. कैलसी है आपके पास? What is the value for less than 30? 4 point. And for more than? What is the value for the gain? Perfect. Great. Now, according to you, which combination have the highest gain value? Less than 15 and more than 15. Anyone lagging behind can say, guys, else go slow for you. So drug dose, DD, splitting, less than 15, what is the row number? Total how many rows we have, guys? Drug dose. मैं full form लिख देता हूँ. DT होगा ना उसका तो. Decision dream सही है. What is the error value for less than 15, Uma? Minus 10.5. Now, guys, we need to split from more than 15. So one row comes over here. How many row remains? 3. Clear. Shall I? Done, everyone. Let me upload calculation पे हम 3 पहुंच गए. I'm going very fast. Done, Sarang. Nikita, done. This will be the last steps. अभी ट्री कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ना. ट्री ड्रॉ किया आपने तो ड्रॉ करो तो समझिए कैसे ट्री पे ट्री कहाँ से आया. ट्री ड्रॉ कीजिए. हाँ करो. Guys, draw the tree. For the first split, we get less than 15 and more than 15. Yes, sir. नहीं लिखना वो उससे सॉल्व होगा ना अभी. Guys, done for everyone. Shall I move forward? Write this data again. Less than 15 is vanished. Last step, guys. Write faster. Sorry. Now we have taken 3 rows. So you need to compute error for 3 rows. How much? Which one I'm giving? 14 point. Good one. Solve for this. And lambda is 0 for entire tree. Here you will have 6.5. 1 plus 0. Should I write the direct answer? How much? 39 आ रहा है. 20. How much? 20? 28.17. तो इसकी वैल्यू आपकी आती है गेन 0. इसके लिए ना गेन वैल्यू नहीं होगा, सिमिलरिटी स्कोर होगा 0. गेन की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी सर? लेफ्ट माइनस राइट है ना. इस लेस देन 22.5 है how much? 22 पॉइंट और इसकी वैल्यू 0. सो गेन कैसे 0 आएगा सर? गेन 28 आया. For less than 30 how much? Less than 30? More than 30? 31. Guys, 30 is getting the highest one for you. So the first split, should I go back? Everyone cross check the answer, guys. Are you getting same or not? Left plus right minus root. On screen, the first tree, then you split, then you make second box, again we split. Less than 15 and less than 30. Draw कीजिए. What is the value for less than 15? What is the error value? And how much value for this? ये clear हो गया? Draw this diagram, guys. This is come from your second split. Guys, done? Okay. On screen. Tree. What should be the output, guys? First row in the tree. The x value is 10. Where should I go? Left. What is the value? So make a new column, write average error 10.5. Put the second row. Second row is 20. So left or right? Then again, left. Here we have two rows. Can you take average of these two numbers? How much? So your average error will be 7 for both the rows. That's where you get your average error. दोनों का एवरेज लिया 6.5 plus 7.5. Guys, कॉलम बनाओ फटाफट लिखो. minus 7.5 है. Average of two branches. ये दो branches आएंगे ना यहाँ पे. 20 or 25 will come less than 30. 6.5 plus 10.5. What is the average of these two numbers? Y I have taken because your Y variable is number. So whenever we have regression, we take average. Can I call this is root node, parent node, and child nodes? So whenever guys we work for regression task, your child node will be average. For classification task, your child node has to be mode. Then Mahesh, or should I repeat? Regression है ना, so child node क्या हो जाएगा? Average. और क्लासिफिकेशन होगा तो मोड. अब ये जो ट्री है ना 2025, you put in this data and tell me what is the value comes. Shall I move forward? Anybody want me to go slow, guys? I'll go slow because calculation remains same. Nikita, अपनी ड्रॉ किया डायग्राम, एवरेज एरर हो गया on screen. Guys, in GP boosting, okay, or we can say in gradient boosting, what is the equation we have taken for prediction? Equation देखो ना क्या होता है? P0 is the initial prediction plus into average error 1, because till now we have make only one tree. Now for the first row, what is the initial prediction? Now learning rate, guys, we need to decide. I have taken learning rate as 0.9. For the first row, what is the error value? Solve this, get the prediction number first row.
-8.9.
The way I have done for one row, do for the remaining rows. You just have to change the average error value. For second row, it will be 7. 6.8. For third row, same. For fourth row, there is getting error also now. We have done prediction number 2.
Oh. Let me randomly.
Guys, can everyone? Done or should I repeat? Done? Last benches. सॉल्व कर रहे हैं मैडम, प्रेडिक्शन क्रॉस चेक कर रहे हो, ठीक है। 7.5. Everyone getting error 2, guys? Repeat. 7.5 है ना वो मैंने गलती से वहां पे लिख दिया है. एक्चुअली वो मेरी मिस्टेक हो गई है. How we calculate this error? This is your y hat and this is your original y. So minus 10.5 minus 8.95. This you have to subtract to get error 2. How much? Minus 10 minus 18.95, 8.95. Do for second row, 7 minus 6.80. 6.80 second row. Then third row is, what is value for the third row? 8 minus 6.80. And the last one is 7 minus 6.25. Error 2 हो गया ना? Error 2 हो गया ना? Error 1 तो पहले निकाला था हमने. क्या? कौन सा वैल्यू? अब y hat बोल रहे हो, एरर बोल रहे हो? प्रेडिक्शन 2 चाहिए आपको. एरर 2 चाहिए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड रो. y वैल्यू क्या है? फिर y hat क्या है? इसको सॉल्व करो. तो -10 प्लस, अभी कर लोगे? Done everyone. Last point guys, done for you. Calculation part. Can I say that as I make a tree, my error reduces? See the error 1 and now see error 2. Drastic reduce in error guys. So can I say if I make second tree, again my error will reducible? Logic clear? Okay. Now guys, if I give you a new customer information, okay, can you predict for this guy? The test value, a test data for drug dose given to a patient is 40. Can you give me a prediction? Minus. How much is the prediction? Wrong answer. What you just have to put, initial prediction is 0.5 plus learning rate into, put this value in your tree. क्या बोल रहे हैं मैडम? ये लाइव डेटा है, इसके लिए आपको प्रेडिक्शन करना है.
minus 6.25.
Minus 6.25. Correct. So prediction for the live data is minus 6.25. Okay. ट्री में डेटा पुट कीजिए ना, कहाँ पे जाएगा वो सबसे जो चाइल्ड नोड है वो आपका एवरेज एरर है. Now the main question, we are not done. Calculation done. Okay. Now guys, we make first error as initial prediction as 0.5. Who decided this, guys? We decided. Second, we found error. On error, we make tree, and tree will try to reduce my error. Clear, clear. What is the lambda value we have taken, guys? Check the lambda value, anyone? Who decided this lambda value? Okay, we decided randomly, okay, we can say. What is the learning rate we have taken? 0.9. Now what you can do, guys, on screen, go back to split one, where you have taken lambda 0. Now just put lambda is 1 and tell me the number. Don't do for all three branches, only do for the selected branch. So lambda 0 की जगह lambda 1 करना है, and you tell me what happened with the number. Oh. Only do for less than 15 and greater than 15. Gain how much? 9.7. Wrong answer. What is the root node? 4 कैसे होगा सर? अभी तो लैम्डा की वैल्यू 1 होगी ना, ऐड हो जाएगी उसमें. तो टोटल डिवाइड बाय 5. How much number? रूट नोड की वैल्यू क्या होगी? 3.2. करेक्ट है. Perfect. 62.48249. 62.49. So guys, when lambda was 0 and when lambda was 1, see the impact. How much is the difference between these two numbers? Can I say, guys, using lambda as 1 help us to reduce the calculation of the number? So lambda value have any impact on accuracy? सिर्फ नंबर कम होगी ना, रीडिंग तो सेम ही रहेगी. अगर नंबर बड़े भी रहेंगे तो रीडिंग भी सेम ही होगी ना. So can I say lambda have only impact on calculations? It helps us to reduce the number so that calculation become faster. Got the importance of lambda, guys? And if you change in learning rate, what happened? Accuracy changed. So can I say learning rate have direct impact on prediction? Got the difference? These are interview questions. What is the use of lambda and what is the use of learning rate? Logic clear, guys? Importance of lambda clear for everyone? Be in a class. Don't go anywhere. Now, guys, when we work on decision tree, how many parameters we have for tuning? Which are three? Child nodes, parent nodes, branches. ये clear है? When you go for random forest, how many tuning parameters we have? Give me the names. Number of trees. If we go to exhibits, then how many? Which are 5? Branches, parent node, child node, trees, and learning rate. Now, when you go to XGBoost, one more added, which is your difference clear हो गया all 4 में. So it will make your mindset clear how many parameters I have to tune in over here. ये सब लिख के लाना है खुद से, फोटो नहीं लेना है. Break नहीं होगा, I'm leaving you. Now here's the overall story. Can I say that in boosting we keep on reducing error? Okay. In decision tree we make only one, random forest multiple, boosting multiple. One is independent, one is dependent. So you all have run the code. Okay. When you come tomorrow, okay, at that time I will teach you the practical one. So that it will be heavy for you and very fast. Okay. So tomorrow when you come, I'll teach you how the tree has to be readable. Reminder for you, make sure do practice for logistic regression and come by tomorrow. The way I asked some interview questions, basic level, same way we'll go with logistic regression also. Okay. Exam on Friday. So once your confidence on Thursday, I'll take your class assessment on Friday for logistic one. Now you know from where to download the file and how to upload on LMS only. Done for you. You can take a break or you can leave.